What the maga do ya know? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. So my people, me there again and me have another video for drop. You understand? And this is where Queenie shares certain things. And you know what I mean? Why me I share this video now? Because I love how Queenie stay strong. And I love how she now make people, you understand, they over her. And she has stand up for herself because she know what she do. Meaning she know what she do for people and how people has been ungrateful to her. And you know, people over there do things, you know, because them know so them always do things. And Queenie will just a ball and cry and this and that. But now she has stand up strong as a queen and as a Jamaican and as a strong black woman and a represent herself. And she has exposed a lot of things. You understand? She has run with the way, ma. She a run where do we, and who forget runway a runway, and who forget attack get attack. And Queenie, big up yourself and stay strong. And me a drop this on my channel and me say again, me no want nobody come say NEWLINK, why you cover this thing and I put this thing on your platform. This is my platform. I cover any story where I want to cover. You understand? My channel is set age restricted for 18 years and older. So if you hear no words or this and that in it, my channel enough for bikini. And I tell people, everybody know this. I believe in a God, I trust in a Father God, but I'm not a Christian. The channel is not a Christian channel. You understand? People, stay blessed, stay safe. And remember people, you want to give support, you want to give a contribution to make the channel go. Please, give us support. Me have a PayPal link there, so give us support and say NEWLINK, we will support your thing. You understand? If you want MoneyGram me something Western, me say, me a beg now. You understand? Me a work hard pan this and me a beg. Why do me I go through a lot of problem and a lot of stress, and me I say look here, people they on TikTok I beg so easy and I get it, and me have my YouTube platform because me have no TikTok or they say no. So me I forward pan it and beg too. You mean if me I go beg too? We I go beg too. You know what I mean? Because we need support too. So remember my people, thank you all for the love, for the support, the like, the share and every comments. And leave your comment in the section and follow me on all social media platform. Queenie, big up yourself and stay strong. And people, any story you know have, whether family wise, relationship, whether work, anything, you understand and you want me attack it, please link up over Instagram and then you don't know we go from there. So email me and we can attack it for you know. Peace out. Peace out. You want nothing to cover, you want a certain story, you know, we'll do a charge. Certain story, free governments, free attack. Peace out. Stay safe.
Serious up to the time from a white kerchief to my white socks. You know what white scarf and I represent.
I'm gonna come back. Now, as a big woman, you come for life, come say your son stepping at the pad. So I'm stepping at the pad and then video send come here. You should have called me woman to woman and say, Queenie, remember you did it with the two man them. Be careful. You know never do that. On a slaughter me and send the pad go get a thought. That I your mama man Janie's son. Miss Liza, your panty pudding son D0WEY. Use it in a couscous and tell me your mother ate me because I left pad in a bathroom. Me say I can't give him the pad for Niam now and your Batman blood clot son with their Jamaica. What kind of people that you know be? Me come there help your blood clot son. As a old man I come talk about padded blood up. What kind of pad blood up? What blood up? Lie! Me put it on because I'm paranoid because it's like through me I go through menopause. I don't know me I get drips. Me put it on. That's the way it roll up when it come out. Why you think me can't explain it so? It hurt me. So I'm say everybody I take side with them. It hurt me. Me say, but the lady could have called me. When me I get married, me I see period for 2 weeks straight. That all woman here. Me so hyperactive. And when she said, Mom, what you doing in that big dress? Take out that big dress. And I say, me I see my period. I become a paranoid that day. I put on the panty chin and say, me no want the panty chin I want a little thin blood pad. What a panty chin I put it for. I'm arrested for the liquor. Take it out, cause nothing in it. Cause if nothing in it, I go roll it up and put tissue over it. I'm gonna take it off and rest it on the liquor. You know the something with them have a Jamaica, the liquor grill, where them put in a bathroom. I rest it there. And by me slump on the toilet seat, do we say something to me, I'm gonna run out to him and left the something in there. And you dirty woman will say you're clean and decent. Could have called me as a mother-in-law. I say crazy. Be careful. Eh? When I take picture with my dirty father, I have said to the family or the friend. And then I complain to my mad. How much years have that got lady? 4 years ago that lady. You understand me? So when me tell us, fuck your son, lady. All that wickedness for you do me. And I rude. I have enough. God say I know I'm not go mad. I'm glad them left me, you see. I truly know. I'm just glad every time I beg God. I say, God, don't make me go on the internet, go call them name. But it not happen, so. The pod hurt me. The way the youth said to me. Me here do a long time too. We just could have just walk away, so. Cause it's not easy. Mommy, remember video me pad. Cause I don't want to be petty. I don't want to get up evidence when I did it like me. I want nasty, dirty woman when I meet in a dirty blood clot house. You gotta say me beard 3 and 4 times. Yeah, me and your son make sense, huh? Me always talk say my beard all 10 times. So how stink me can be so? How stink? Me not even feel bad about the stink part. Cause you know you're not stink, Queenie. But really, as a young man, and that you sit down with a decent friend them, and a scan me, and that appropriate for your son do as a young man, that appropriate for your Batman son where they are Jamaica will do with your Batman will do with your fuck the teacher. That appropriate for your Batman son where they are Jamaica video me where 8 blood clot me video me pad. What do we say man the teacher fuck? The teacher man. Yeah, come take internet and a computer eyeglass. And your son a tell me come down. I want for blood clot come down when you come see me upon this. I want to tell for come down. You have an eyeglass, a mag upon blood clot internet. Where you want to blog now? Dirty woman. You never have the decency of the vice so you come and impress the nation. Or greater for mom you is that you defend your son. How? When you have the 2 boys at Jamaica live like back and belly blood clot rat. Right now the 2 of them want to kill them one another the same way. Cause the way I show us him have house or Romaria can't come to America. And him tell him mother say him for still file film no matter what. And you can't chat to blood clot me. Same like when I fighting for the house, a son I fight, do you fight him brother for the house. And the brother put him out of the house December. Where him rent. Because him say him associate with gunman. And the mama have to move you out of here, your brother and agree. You can't chat to blood clot me. And I lie me I tell. Him did a hype over the house where him left my fa. And sabotage my one. You gonna get your one pussy wall. Do it. Hey, Romaria can't. I tell mama if you still help file film still. You eat your blood clot, brother, cause him get visa before you. You saw when him go find him carry one slippers, come get and take back the slippers. And when him used to go find him not carry nothing, come give you. And me come in your life and take care of you. And you want to destroy me? Everything I remember about you and your brother and your family, me I go talk about my family them. Cause me don't care 0 about blood clot them. But you care 0 about yours. I could care fucking less about none of my blood clot family. Any one of them I chat them deserve the chatting. But did you deserve to talk all away? Your family, what you say about your family? You can't come mix, king mix up with man. You can't come go to Cutie. My friend Cutie love me from her hole in the blood clot wall and can't talk. And she miss blood clot me while she tear me down, so. But you read between the line. If Cutie never blood clot rate me deep into who the record you. All when she use it for mock me. She show the world the son of a bitch you are. Big up, come and clap, come. Me that peace. When I make people look like me frightened over your cocky and me, madam, and the boy can't even stay up and pussy long. Him for glad say him have waistline can go to the left and give 2 little ass clot. Good fuck. Nothing to the boy. Nothing. You hear me ask him if me ever give him back to wash it. Me never look how do it but I'm yet. Doing a good sir. You know some boy will get you in that business to blood clot where am I gonna do to ass clot? You just in at the moments. No moments not that if you in at do with slam bam thank you mother. Move your dirty blood clot. And hold your blood clot kind of little boy. And go wash your blood clot fractal Miss Jane. Twin pussy cow. Panty puddle doing. Me not ready for blood clot yet because you have what it more there. Remember you have one girl by your phone where you say your sister. And the man where dead are your father. And you want to catch DNA because the man look like your father. And that's why your father not pay no mind because your mother gave to 2 man. And the 2 man them look like your mother is a whore. Me never have for the rigor that for none of my blood clot pitney them have 5 pitney me have for 1 man. You done your mother. So if me come and diss your mother, how the fuck you walk and tell people if me not hear you deal with your mother? You lead me to that. I tried not to disrespect your mother. I may never decide to her face. You record me and send them to her. And when you piss me off, I'm come on the internet, come down her. You eat your mother, your mama eat you, and I want come fabricate story for me. Me not dead. And I might not remember them today. Me and him them yard and the teacher man a come with one buckle of drink with him and brother. And him say, see that fuck them I go lock up and fuck. One wicked corrupted youth. What me say him say? Him brother and the teacher man I go lock up and fuck. And the man have a buckle of drink in him and don't blood clot test me. Send all where you want send to Cutie. Cause I'm big and pure and real. If them catch me and them shit, me I go put up my hand to that. Cause of my mouth and them shit. Can you do that? You're not real. And you're going to perish by the hands of the Almighty. Everything what you do, I declare them back in the name of Jesus and return to sender. Every weapon where you want farm against me, I return them to center in the mighty name of Jesus. Doing Andre Scarlett. Me now like no can go for you. A God and my can go. Me no walk over here. Me no do what? Me no walk over here. You tell me say Trisha and the whole of our family them down a P0ND walk over here. And them I go over here me and me say D0WEY. Me a over here myself. Yes, I me not forgot a P0ND. Cause Trisha family them bad and them I go beat me when me look at you and the whole of Trisha family them turn back blood clot friend. Talk to me now D0WEY. You try scared me. If I'm going to P0ND, I'm say do me love by the world. Trisha family them run them from phase 2. Trisha them down body. Crazy bad people them. Move your little blood clot. Scare the cat. You go like you're bad. You can't prove nobody's me badder than blood clot you. You can't prove nobody's. You're just ignorant. You're ignorant and dark. You see the graduate all the way we scared do it in mother. You hear me? The father have 4 daughters. 1 with an ex-woman or 3 daughters. 1 with an ex-woman and 2 more. The father filed for them and them the America and them not filed for D0WEY. D0WEY are the only boy. The man have 3 daughters. D0WEY are the first pitney and the man not own D0WEY even though D0WEY have the man name. So D0WEY have daddy issues and mommy issues. So maybe RT morning, maybe the childhood trauma where the mother try and make up with you. Whether I fuck the mama want, the papa want him She for fly go her father come fuck him in a June gone. When our birthday. And do it say to me, say, my father don't pay me no mind. But him a invite my mother, say she for come spend a weekend with him for fuck her. Doing, yes, you dirty blood clot, yo. Anything when me say about my family, them talk. Anybody me talk about, me for talk about them. Talk! You dirty, nasty blood clot, yo. Him say, my father no look for me, and my mother, him a tell say, I go put her in a hotel, no dirty blood clot. I mean, you know what, scan? I mean, you know what, scan? Me are the realest blood clotting ever. Him over me. Queenie, my Obia links told me do it and his mom set out for you. Boy, King mix up. As much as me no want believe. When me hear the man say, anything, him a pray for me sick. They just say the fly come from blood clot America to kill me off. I chang me chang. All when them come in the hospital I visit me, I ask at when I look back at all him face now. Because so the boy having him heart towards me, man, him mama. You hear me? You hear me? I want girl house do it in America. And right now the girl I say she have AIDS. I have a man when she fuck, she out tell them to test them. Me look like me want to do it. Do it, I gonna say me stink. The girl on here cook over the America. When me came, I'm gonna put him on the plane and him say I go a mother house. A cook house do we going now. And cook a message do we. When me and do it there at Jamaica when my belly cut out. I said to do it say. Do it forgot check himself because she have sickness. The half has never been blood clot tool. Me clean and pure. So me you not about. Why doesn't the cocky concern you? Your cocky concern you. You know what it is for a girl go find out so them have HIV or whatever them have. And call you as my husband to tell you say. Sure, one day for you give me and him you forgot check yourself. Talk to me no do you. You want to put up baby? I'm going to show you who name blood clot Queenie. You want to put up baby for bantan me? I'm going to show you who name blood clot Queenie. I see if you can't respect me by blood clot, marriage and naturality, or by force you going to respect me pussy. You hear that? Remember me tell you batty all. The war not done pussy all. Go and show a shade. And understand yourself here, your woman. You got saw me bring down blood clot. You know want bring me down? I win, you know. Me drop down, you know. Sleepless night, you know. I go silent pound of dirty blood clot, you know. And I work spiritual fight silent, you know. I rebuild myself, you know. So no matter how much ball, you know. Me so last 2-3 years, I got sting and I say, wow, with me and Mary. A judgment. I plead to you. I say, what you want this? To want somebody for dead? You not done? Are you care humble? I'm ready for now. All your sister will say a fucker box and she a Christian. And she have a little baby boy. Every blood clotting, remember. Me no care. There's a difference with me. From a little and I watch TV. Me say me nah make nobody blackmail me, I talk. Blood clot there. You cannot hide behind blood clot door and not tell lie for me. When me I talk the truth, what you do? The whole of them I got blood clot wonder. It's like how you obstruct my family. The whole of me pitney them, all cute to done me pitney them and all I wish to say about me you them. You work both ways. Go ball for family. The last time you compare to the whole of my family them a ball. No family now ball for you. None of them don't care about you. If you thank God for the mother there. That conniving mama. Me not upon him page. Him block me from long time. I'm not on his page, but anything him do, me say same way. Listen. The man move on and the man a live him life. The man, me can't tell him what for post and me can't stop him from post. And him can't stop me from attack him. You see, for me feel some type of way how him use me I create problem, man. Me bad. You understand the difference? If me feel some type of way I feel for nothing, me not say nothing. Yeah, man, do it rude, man. Him do too much. And then I come play a victim. And then the dirty stinking fuck out, mama, sodomite, big pussy, mama, you come ball about me, I cuss your mother. Yeah, your mother fuck from long time. That's why you beg with your friend. Vex with your blood clot friend to come at your window. Where I tell your mother, say, we're going to suck your mother pussy or over at blood clot. Go. Jealous of who? Jealous of blood clot who? Me a drunk and shit house. Me not nothing for that jealous over. Low blood clot. Me going to kill your blood clot self. Pussy hole. Move your blood clot. You think your woman can make me kill myself? Go kill on a dirty blood clot self. Go! In my heart, my poison a dirty blood clot. Remember your friend did reach out and said do for poison me. A long time when I pre me evil. Long blood clot time when I pre me evil. Me eat the wall out now. True. Me don't like them. But true, me no hold grudge, me no work with them for me. But me no like them. Do is a mess. Right now I'm eating father to him father invite him mother to come fuck her for her birthday in July. Whenever she fucking born. Talk about my Sunday. Talk about what I want to talk about, baby. My hurt in a Winston. My hurt from many angles. My hurt how people feel like them can't come in my life. And so them want to make themselves feel good. My hurt because of my family, them want to stifle me. To make people abuse me and tell me something have to shut up. My hurt because of the man who deceived me left, right, and center. And use his mother as confederate. My hurt because he's a beautiful woman and I have to try rehabilitate myself for unearth. But with all of this hurt, I am peaceful. Deb's morning. So the peace, I'm peaceful. May I forgive God the glory. So me day here attack soft and mild, me nice. Me beautiful. But my hurt. My hurt's until, you know, every time I talk, I water and my heart leap. But I'm proud of myself. I do the puzzle and I solve the puzzle. You know? Cutie do me such a good job. Don't mind for little foolishness which our customer and classmates say. You see that voice not no should really. You see, I hear the man say, I go on rich people. Fair. Set them up. I wonder if my mother am confused. I say somebody can lie on me. What rich people? What do you mean? I don't understand. You get the drift and the left, right? So the way the man lie and then Cutie is so dumb. When me there, I ziggy me the way. So alright. Me send somebody for go rob Cutie house. Me on a reason. And 5 years after, 3 years after now, me I go tell what next man say. Me did set up a robbery. That don't make no sense. Me not get, you not get no robbery no. Me not even know say. Me not even remember security say somebody go yard. That's why I go say me tell do it too lie. That's why me reveal truth. Your little sister will say, she or your father don't know, and she breed have a little boy, she a Christian. Everybody you done. And the next one at Jamaica when I pay no mind. And don't make me talk a whole heap of something you boy talk, you know. So I don't understand. Let's talk. I not forget do it from today. You stink like, don't blood clot tell me to forget that. No, out that come suck me and do it. Or the blood clot don't know. When I'm not here for sit and don't blood clot antagonize me. What you think me a iron dirty girl or dirty man? You think me a blood clot iron? For just get up. Because of the internet. You think if my blood clot could I not talk about him with a day at two? With a day I talk to no. Don't test me. Don't counteract like you take me for a blood clot, Mackie. You think it's easy for all of me I go to? Everybody turn against me because me and myself. And because I'm a man when I believe in, everybody I go tell me I love son, me not love myself. I'm enough to talk. Don't blood clot tell me what I'm for talk about. Am I hurt? Am my feelings? Am my emotion? Me nah go silent, mad. What the fuck? Are that my going to know? Eh? Are that my going to know? If me hurt because of society, me never come talk. Look for me. Look through my beard. As the son of God that hold me up. Look. You can't see every step I hurt. And I drunk. Mighty. I know it is well. How fucking dare you? Look how me look deteriorated. How fucking dare you? You take my business if I Sunday? My business is how I feel. Spit again. It's ever come natural. I can't spit again. Should you tell me spit again? I'm not going to spit. What happened yesterday and not today? Every day is a different blood clot day. Shut the fuck up and listen to Queenie. What do you mean by every day? So what am I come here with tomorrow? What? Living a denial, so I'm not hurt. I'm not concerned. I'm not do it. I've got a heart. It's my marriage. I lose every blood clotting. I'm gonna lose my life. So I'm still powerful and mighty. How fucking dare you, bitch? You fucking snitch. What you deny? A big queen. The right of her speech. Freedom of speech. The right of my hurt. My deceive. My breakdown. No matter my blood clot, but I'm not crumble. My hurt. Enough people now want to know me. Thank God the internet to know depend. Because when you know I know me, I'm interested now. So I still have to come watch. Enough people sidestep me. That's why you see me pitting them. No matter how you cuss them, I feel me them. And no matter how them upset over my behavior, I see the love I share to them. Them have to come back and crumble and know, say, you see my mommy, she's beautiful no matter what. You saw my cuss them yesterday? And not one of them better than morning. Not one of them pay me no money. It's London come and she said, yesterday when Pilot come, she said, my mom is upset and I don't know if she'll allow visitor. And Pilot said she invited me. My kids are protective and me them know me a hooligan and me not take no fuckery. And I'm at home, I cuss them. I cuss them kind of because them now make me go up and live them black up my page and I say, Bumba, well, let me tell you the blood clot this and I now get back that chance. And I now get back that chance because I got to take my own password and control my own page. I know the first one I do it, because I don't know why I'm a God go rebel, but you know, remember, that's my job. You understand me? It's that's where make me be where I am. Me being a religious person. So when they lock me down, me either like me, I go stifle, like me, I go mad. You understand me? I don't know why I saw the mama like this, but me have to let out the tears and rebuild. Me have to attack them back, the enemy. Left, right, and center. Me have to plead the blood of Jesus. It is well, it is well, it is well. But me can't stay silent that I go mad, me kids. Me have to defend my blood clot self. So when them see me make the page and the part in TikTok with RQ, it's so quick, them give me back my Instagram. I'm a lie down here, so I'm a call them. So I'm not going to make nobody get in that trouble. I'm not going to make me get to that trouble, no know me stay. I'm not going to make me get to that trouble, give me back my page, my vet. Because them know why I'm because how long I'm not going to stop? My summer stay. From somebody hurt me. There is people who do me things I'm going to bring on the internet. You understand? Because it's not everybody you have an internet relationship with. I've got people who do me deep things where me not bring on the internet because me and them not dip on the internet like that. You understand me? Do it? You say you're not going to have no regrets. So you're not, what you say with the word? I'm not going to have no regrets. I'm not going to have no regrets. And I'm not going to ever apologize to me. You don't have to apologize to me. Apologize to God. It's like how you have Cashew Vice by your TikTok. When Cashew I said, don't ball to me. Ball to God, I said, do it. Cashew and send you much in threats, I'm going to shoot you and do it with that tear down. Why you do it, Cashew Vice? Don't bawl to me, bawl to God. You need to go apologize to God. Me no want to apologize for you. Me despise you. Me despise you. You're coming like germs. I don't know lie, me I tell. You're coming like germs. A long time I left him and him, you know. Me's just a warrior and a trying person. Me never ever go give up on my husband. Me never ever go give up. Him did have to throw him button. Me's a loyal bomber wall. And anything you dash at me from your mind, me tolerate and cope with it, however. It's a total public, international, global disgrace. Constantly. And before that witch, that fuck out mama of yours, you can't come blood clot complain because you have to go wear G-string and cut off your body and turn tranny before you turn girl and put on 2 weeks for come class me. And that whore, where would the one fuck off the 2 man them at England but should have come over here come meet them? You fucking whore. And the cocky little boy asks, do we give me long. And that witch sit down there. And before she called me as a big man, to a big man, I'm call her man, she don't answer me, you know. You call her January, she don't answer. February, she don't answer. March, she don't answer. April. Alright, skip out April, May, June. July, come again. August. No matter what you do, she not call you. But you reach by internet. For clarify, make a girl move, shall I? That way I call girl big pussy audit. Thinking pussy audit. Me ear to know. How we call girl? Are you a blood clot girl? Where you make do with fun, son, fuck, do with friend, fuck you and suck your pussy. Ask your son about that. When I want to set up blood clot people for eat me, me no busy do want to eat blood clot, my friend, me not eat myself. You come and justify. Did you look at that woman and call me and say, crazy, this not gonna work, do and say this. What you say, me that cuss you? You lie. You lie. You just want to point out some vulgar, I'm loud and awful, and not decent. Not decent. No time. You're not decent. Blood clot, you come to about 100 pounds, I give you for pay water rate. Made in a water rate. Me treat you, bitch. Stinking woman, me treat you. Stop the night. You never tell them, if I come here, I come play a blood clot bill, I'm come for holiday, bring clothes and shoes and tablets and phone for your blood clot, son. And buy TV and game. Play what kind of water bill, stinking all that, not drawing an allegation, yes, sir. Me give me 100 pounds genuinely, say me I treat you. And you receive it. You ever treat me back at stinking, man? Dirty swine. Your cash shoes go give cash and 2 color clocks. Cause your mind do it, man. And t-shirt and perfume. You ever buy me a rascal thread yet? Eh? What you mean by? You accept my present and you never return one ever. Cause you don't count me. And when you go to Jamaica, you buy for this, that Tara not buy for this. But me don't want nothing from me, I just attack. Shabada and cash you in a fuck. You know, see, Lolo wipe him low off of them. Mr. Papi show and them gang to blood clot. When me see them at Jamaica doing a white pants with the umbrella over Lolo head. And them pants look like it full of shit. Me say, look at me live for see. And look at me live for see months after see away. You run come back. For what? The house? You don't know where you run come back for. You're haunted. He's like a rolling stone girl and no blood clot. Right now you must itch up in a one basement with 10 man. None of them that make one. You see Alrico? With the beer fake blood clot shoes out of Canada? The amount of fake shoes where you say Rico bring come give blood clot you. Me not make you wear fake. Remember that every fake when me say with me tell you say you can't wear them there around me. Me not wear fake clothes. I prefer wear cheap blood clot Charlie and put on plastic bag. Rico with that Canada, me say I not run up and down. We say Rico bring one with a fake shoes. Don't make a class on the blood clot. I never go Canada yet. You want to come mix up. Everybody I go find you at pussy because you can't keep friend. That's a one. You don't sturdy. You got constantly suck your mother pussy. Yeah. May I tell you, you don't have no respect for you. I got done you and your mama. Your mother say, my plane ticket them when me buy. No count. That ain't nothing. She said publicly. Because she thinks she going to get pressure. Remember this is my one. Other thing I work on this. Me there every day for my people them. Morning, noon, and night. If my ugly me there, if my mouth stink me there, if my mouth white there, if my ten and my eye me there. What you think? You could have just come and plot against me, sir? Me a reason. Tell Michelle. Say Mr. Scarlett will hide from D0WEY. Me make him get him name. Did invite you for fuck out your pussy in Florida. You tell about D0WEY. And D0WEY eat the man who want kill the man because the man pay you and mine and no. You know a corruption. You know a corruption. And the worst blood clot family me ever going on. Which blood clot woman asks them son? Boy fuck. In a text. Where do you get kicks? You don't understand yourself, lady. That's why I disrespect you. You see, if you tell me, so the girl say, and me alone she accept. And me saw that. What kind of argument them there for come? Me not do with wife. Our woman for tell us them are going to accept me when them come in my life. And me for accept them. But for you care about that as a woman who intelligent and rich. Have so much money. And me you want to throw down. Woman me eat you. Woman me poison in my mind. My love mix up like your mama. I see my mother where you call and shabal. I say, oh, me not get no threat. Nobody did threat now. Nobody did tell us. Nobody threat now. I'm telling us them call. Blood clot me on my phone. I say, Queenie, stop call other name. And I go crucify me. Oh, me a liar. Nobody did call my mother. Me ask you no. Did I come over here and said, me not have no time for Cutie. Me not go down the Manuel Road. Me Cutie stay where she done put up what she want put up. Me and Cutie did up on live this morning. Cuties are just troublemaker, you know. Cutie, I'm telling you something. Me not get solided. D0WEY and Rule Bella go on. Me tired of you. Don't blood clot tell me if me lie. Yeah. D0WEY Cutie in a D0WEY heart. Them look alike. You sure say them a mama and son? Me not think them a mother and son. You hear that? May I bring down him? I want me to spin that girl or something? But I not pin me for pin it. I black me for black. Oh, I black me for black you, know, girl. Me not even about that black you. Yes, she say. She never had to help D0WEY. Because D0WEY married to me. So the me when married to her, make him get the visa them. Make you start take him over. And you come at twang. You know, see, you couldn't face the camera. You're a witch. If you was true, you saw me look on the people them? All when me I cry. You can't do that. You're evil. You're an evil piece of shit. The way you chat, the way America, I'm mad baby mother with the America, oh, she not earshot and chat you. All them in a need for going on. No complain a picture over here, so. D0WEY big fat girl will give him the 2 jacket before me know you chat with the woman. All of them something there. He's a witch. Cuss out them dirty blood clot. I who said that reality? Cuss them. Me eat them. Me eat D0WEY and him family them. Me eat D0WEY sister them when I pay D0WEY no mind. Yeah. Me eat D0WEY blood clot father we cock up with the wife and the 2 people them and each up America and make D0WEY they just run and disrespect me so. None of them can reach out to him. Cause him sad. The whole of my family them not like me and me like myself. And just show off and blood clot them and show them to my dads. And them have to see me as a celebrity. And me being them family make me reach for me there. And the hard work when I come out, come put out. D0WEY sad. Sad. Whether you go to America, you go to America 6 to 8 weeks before you see a one pitney. You don't have no ratings, you don't have no name. All when your name D0WEY is nothing. Because you not capitalize yourself. Me could have one son and the America and they're 6 weeks from a one pitney and I not see my pitney. And you're thinking pussy mama. Get up here now there, toe to toe from she left work here now in a wholesaler buy this and she cook oxtail and she put the kidney for your cook. And you own a little son. And you go and come make me look like I'm your problem. And you your own blood clot problem. You is your own problem. You're a savage. Me done on a dirty blood clot anytime when I trouble me. You saw the girl where you put up her baby? Me there for no. You not living on no blood clot piece. You know mad? Go re-cleanse yourself, dirty boy. You come tell me about me for come down. Go re-blood clot, rehabilitate yourself and go learn manners. Go back in your mama big thinking rotten pussy. May your reason now? Your mother feel good for hear you as a young man. Remember? Nobody knows the voice note with Colin from over south. When he must say Colin, me apologize to you and I ball to Colin and I tell Colin some stink. Your mother never hear none of them there. Go suck out all that blood up pussy where she not see. And all that go eat out doing blood up batty all where shit up. I want to think you don't want to care down. Me tell you now. You don't have no respect for me and you don't take everything from the blood clot media. Me make this. The Queen Reign. Where you think you're going to come over here and put her eyeglass and banter me? You don't live in a no blood clot piece. And your friend them going to call you every day at your workplace and you're going to ball and stress. Like how me stress to dirty blood clot or that ill. You want to buckle me? Boy, you're bad and fire. You come in a picture, me have to back up. My back up. Because my sister now do incense. My back up because my sister me can't come America and can't win. And I become afraid of you. You come boss. Queenie has to wall her corner. Come me take over the way in life. Me ready for your dirty blood clot or that. Make we talk. I do it one friend you want for fuck you. And me make do it friend them don't fuck you. Because me never make the link. I no draw me call the man name. The two man them name. When you say I like, I say you come over here for spend blood clot time with them. You didn't tell do with that. But me tell him. Me tell the drunk come there, mama wa or. Me not or, your mama or. When she say her husband cocky could stand up, all her cocky do, her husband do a wank. And that's why she divorced him. Cause him lie down in her bed and play with him body. After 6 weeks, she divorced him. You know I'm blood clot disgrace and put up baby. You think you not aunt me? A aunt for blood clot aunt. Talk about that now, that. May your reason. You go America the 7th of October 2020. And me go Jamaica the 9th of October 2020. 2 days after you. The man will married to you help you. When you go up, you say, all the man do a lie down in our bed and one can play with them cocky. And what you do? Divorce the man and live in the man house. You come talk about man, say, oh you say, you're the wicked woman, no? Why am I draw the man in night? As she draw her husband in night, you know? Say, Queenie, I lied. Queenie, have my address for when me they come at the first. Oh, me forget address for now, me I never in a business. You never send your address, give me for do what? How me for know your address? Me ain't never in a no business when you did the man husband house. I mean, she said, Queenie, I lied, because Queenie have the address, and then she said, them send me address. Them not send me an address, you know. The dirty so-called husband give me a piece of address. No, you're going to say you tell your ex-husband to look out for a letter from me. Did you send me address to your ex-husband? No. Lie. When Aston, move your blood clot in there, mix up to your dirty ex-wife put you in there. Them love social media and them don't know something normal. You look like them just take me for loud-mouthed woman. Aston, when she come and say, she tell her ex-husband, say, for look out for letter. The people, them just make me look like fool and it burn me, see? Or if you have Aston number, when you divorce Aston from 2020, you got to say, not even say no 6 weeks, say 3 months. But in the last 6 months, as she go up, she divorce him. She work. She said she Aston pitney them no one do nothing and she not make them name out her money so she not cook no food. And when she do cook, you hear me say? She working at the man house and save the money she claims. And your mama mix up. I do it teach me. Aston. And she save and pile up fair money. And buy her house. And Aston da fuck her, cause all him do a wank. See him blood clot thing on do me. Leg on my blood clot shirt. Move on a dirty blood clot with your crosses, son. Your son a crosses. Down blood clot come defend your dirty blood clot, son. Where you and him talk about Aston when I fuck, you and him talk about me where him nah fuck. That mean the two nah fuck. One thing can I go to make my head hurt me? And my pit of them sit down up there. Every minute them the pan crazy. A pit of them eat me. Wet me say, eat your hoe. Me pit of them eat the fuck of the disgrace, but my pit of them not get involved. And that's just me eat you. And your dirty blood clot scammer mother. Where you tell me say Trisha, the first time your mother go America, she thief Trisha bedroom set. You be your mother there. How you tell me? Your mama is a thief, she come call me thief. At least her people shot me gun. I never thief nothing to tell your house yet, lady. Wanna need popcorn? Get it. How you come class thief stinking of that? My thief for make your son read somewhere in a blood clot life. I hear cute to tell you, oops, I can't thief anymore. I'm a celebrity. How you come a call thief? Tell the people them say you work at tax officer, you a scammer. You was used to work at Jamaica blood clot tax office downstairs. And you scam the blood clot people them with them deeds. So all your millions, tell the blood clot people them say you a scammer or tell auditor who you want test. Oh no, respect blood clot me. Lady, you know much time I call you. Lady, you know much months I call you. Audit, please answer me. Audit, I want to talk to you. Audit, me need your help. And you sit down there, you ignore me. Woman, me have my platform for done your dirty scamming blood clot. How we are called shoplifting? Shoplifting, week back then. Still standing like Big Ben. 10 Darling Street, 10 out of 10. If you never know, where the blood clot you work. I take care of all people. 24 hours and get so much money for you come and tell me how rich is. All people money them you scam or that. You can't trick me. I'm not good job. But just a print you out. You're not gonna complain how good you are. And last week in the summer, she cussed do it so she not doing no money for send go get Trisha for the little boy. Cause she tired of it. In the summer we gone, Trisha want 150 pounds. No, Dwayne want 150 pounds for send go get Trisha for back to school. And the mama that they cuss her say, she nah take up no more a Dwayne problem. You think tell them can't trick me? You think them can't trick blood clot me? Eh? Eh? Let me hear no talk. Oh man, you just sign your dissing contract. You just signed the contract by go pan Jojo. For me this your dirty blood clot. All which. Where I walk I tell me forget man for you. Me there with your son and you can't stand me. How you set up? How you want me set up do a friend for your fuck do a friend? Dirty woman, me have dignity. As vulgar as me is. All when do we I say me fuck do we can't blood clot put no fucking on my pussy. Woman, you think me could have desperate so? I said do we have a friend and whisper go tell him that me want the friend? Make me your reason. You want come justify. And also, woman, protect them, son. You're being biased. Just by the dirty blood up pad. So if the pad blood up on your son step in it, how your son take the picture of it? May I clear my chest? Because this now going to go on forever. Pussy wall. You're not living on no peace. Batty wall, nose wall, shit wall. You dirty, nasty germs bag. How you want to kill drunker? My mama tell us when I top me, when I stab out in blood clot with the scissors, the lion boy I say, me did have scissors in my hand. Take the scissors out of the door and tab in your blood clot. My mama tell us the boy, hold me so. I said, crazy, me will kill you. I was like, do it, please. Do it. And then grab me and I flash me so you can't beat me, do it. Stop show off, man. May I have a holy patassa. May I defend my blood clot self. And when you grab me and flash me, so I said, do it, remember my face, do it. But just come out the hospital, do it. I'm look right to the left, I see the scissors. I'm just jam in your blood clot with it. And you ball over, stab you one little blood clot joke. You're evil. But I pay man for kill your dirty blood clot. You hear that pussy wall? The last time you said me did have man. Your dirty friend Cashway, you say Cashway until you say me have form. You know if me you getting nobody for help me. Me look like somebody who recruit people. You still don't know me. Right now, if I could have lived with it, me make man kill you. We can't do that. We just have to say it in my mind. May I wish you the worst right now. That's where it reach. If me could have known, say, somebody go and snipe you and tell them do it and live with it, me can't live with it. So it's like how you always tell like me, why you're dead pussy. Why your mama dead. And I hope you're dead before me. Move on a blood clot. Me a vent. Before you kill blood clot, my mother love for God make me make you dead before me. Me hate to know. I be able to cast a part of, yeah. Any blood clot part me cross. But I kill them. Let them come out of my life. Remember them first one kill me, you know. Remember I'm not heard for myself. The man say I wait till when I'm sick. I'm like to one can't go. I'm going at the dark. I'm beg God for make. Eh? And if you come over here, come pretty up for you. Every girl will have any disgrace if you just dash it out. I that them for do. Just dash it out. You're too blood clot enough. Your wing them need for clip. Me not done. Your wing them need for clip bomber wall boy. Talk to Romario. When you say Romario, Batman, him and the teacher were down Greater Portmore Secondary School. The school at name. And when you and him go back at the house, him say you associate with gunman. No baby can't mad me. Me look like my one baby too, no? I fight pit me have them big. Me not forget to put on my bed and make no me jealous of D0WEY and baby. I wonder if I don't know what is jealousy. Jealous of one man when I want me. And I must say blood clot eat that. Not when me hear that device note there. Me no want you sorry for me. Move your blood clot, you sorry for me, that's why you over here. All the man who said this morning say, him tired of me, you couldn't tired of me and still I watch me. Move on the blood clot, the Queen reign. Me elevate to know.